The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, running boards, front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, CD player, power door locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.